Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home with the presence of a loving God. Today we are going to learn mathematics. What subject we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn mathematics. Last week we have learned one topic, no? Yes. Do you all remember that? What topic is it? Before, after, and between numbers. Before, before, after, after, between, between, before, after, and between numbers. Now we are going to do some sums in it, and then we pass on to the new topic. Now we are going to do this. What we are going to do first? Before, before numbers we are going to do. What number is this? 5. Very good. What comes before 5? What comes before 5? 4. Very good. And then what's the next number? 1 and 9? 19. What comes before 19? 18. 1 and 8? 18. And then what number is this? 14. What comes before 14? In the number strip, from the number strip we find it out, no? Yes, the left side numbers. 14. What comes before 14? 13. 1 and 3, 13. You all know before numbers nicely. Now we are going to see AFTER, after numbers. Now look at here. What number is this? 7. Very good. For after numbers, what side we have to look at the number strip? Yes, right side. What comes after 7? 8. And then look at the next number. 15. 1 and 5, 15. What comes after 15? 16. 1 and 6, 16. And then what number is this? 0. What comes after 0? 1. Very good. And then look at the last one. BETWEEN, between. Between numbers we are going to do. And what number is this? 2. And what number is this? 4. Between 2 and 4, what number has to come? Yes, you are right. What number has to come? 3. And then look at the next one. What number is this? 10. And what number is that? 12. What number has to come between 10 and 12? 11. And look at the next one. 18, 20. What number has to come between 18 and 20? 19. If you know after numbers nicely, it's easy to do the between numbers. You did it know? Yes. Now you all understand that clearly. Last week itself you all did it nicely. Shall we pass on to the new topic? Today we are going to learn COMPARING, comparing, NUMBERS, numbers, comparing numbers. Now look at here. SMALLER, smaller, NUMBERS, number, smaller, number, small one. We are going to find out. How we have to find out small one? Yes, elephant is big and rat is small. When you look at it, you can find out. And here in max, we are going to find out which is having very less. That is a smaller one. Look at here, part L, tick the group which has less. Look at the basket, children. Here we have 2 baskets. How many? 2 baskets are here. And in this basket also we have mangoes. And here also we have mangoes. Now we are going to find out which basket is having very less. Here the basket is full. Here the basket we have some space. Now we count the mangoes and find out. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many mangoes are here? 8 mangoes. Look at this basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many mangoes? 10 mangoes. Here we have 8. Here we have 10. Which is more? This basket is full. Here what they ask? They ask less. Less means small. So what you have to do? You have to give a tick in this basket. Okay. Now you understand? We have to find out which is having very less. Look at here. What is this? A box is having pencils, color pencils. How many pencils are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pencils are here. And in this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pencils. Which box is having less number of pencils? Yes, this box is having less number of pencils. So we have to give a tick in this. Now look at here. Here we have leaves on the stick. Now how many leaves are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 leaves. And look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which stick is having less number of leaves? Very good. This stick is having less number of leaves. So this is the smallest one. Okay. Now look at here. What is this? Cake. Very good. You all love to eat this, no? Yes. What is this? Candle is there on the cake. Here we have only one candle. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 candles. And which is having very less? Here. Very good. So what you have to do? You have to give a tick in this. Now you understand this, children? How to find out smaller numbers. Here we learn about using the object. Now we are going to find out the smaller number in the numbers. From pictures we find out. Okay. Count and find out the objects. And here we have to look at the number and find out. Look at here. Using the number strip to compare numbers. Look at here. What is it? Ant. Very good. What the ant is telling? The number which is near to 0 is the smaller number. Look at here. 0 is here. And which is near to 0? Yes. 1 is near. And here, now look at the sum. Then you understand clearly. Part M. Circle the smaller number. Circle the smaller number. Now we are going to circle the smaller one. Look at here. What number is this? 20. Where is 20? 20 is here in the strip. And what number is this? 10. 10 is here. And where is 0? Yes, 0 is here. Now, which number is near to 0? 10 is near or 20 is near? Which is near? 10 is near. So, you have to circle number 10. Now, look at the next one. 11, 9. 11, 9. Where is number 11? Number 11 is here. And where is number 9? Number 9 is here. Which is very near to 0? 9 is near or 11 is near? 9 is near. So what you have to do? You have to circle number 9. That's the smaller one. Which is near to 0? That is the smaller one. And look at the next one. 4, 6. Where is 4? 4 is here. And where is 6? 6 is here. Which is near to 0? 0, 4 or 0, 6. Which is near? 0, 4 is near. So, 4 is the smaller one. You have to circle number 4 in this. And look at the next one. 15, 5. Where is 15? 15 is here. And where is 5? 5 is here. 0 to 5 and 0 to 15. Which is very near to 0? 5 is near. So, which is the smallest one? 5 is the smallest one. Now, you understand it? Now, look at the next one. 10, 12. Where is 10? 10 is here and 12 is here. Which is very near to 0? 10 is near. So, you got to circle number 10. That is the smallest one. Now, look at the next one. 18, 17. 18 is here and 17 is here. Which one comes first? 0 to 17 or 0 to 18? 17 or 18? Which one is near? 17 is near. Yes. So what you have to do? You got to circle number 17. That's the smallest one. Look at the next one. 8, 9. Where is 8? 8 is here and 9 is here. Which is very near to 0? 8 is near. So what you have to do? You got to circle number 8. That's the smallest one. And look at the next one. 16, 20. 16, 20. Where is number 16 is here and 20 is here. Which is very near to 0? 16 is near. So what you have to do? You have to circle number 16. Now you understand this? Now look at part N. Cross out the smallest number. Here we did circle. And now we are going to cross the smallest one. Look at here. 4, 7, 2. Here we have 3 numbers. 4 is here, 7 is here and 2 is here. Which is very near to 0? 2 is very near. So they cross number 2. Look at the next one. 19, 8, 17. 19 is here, 8 is here and 17 is here. Which is very near? 8 is very near. Very good. So what you have to do? You have to cross number 8. And look at the next sum. 14, 12, 17. Where is 14? 14 is here, 12 is here and then 17 is here. Which is very near? 12 is very near. Very good. 12 is near. So what you have to do? You have to cross number 12. And look at the next one. 16, 15, 14. 16, 15, 14. Which is near? 14 is near. Very good. So what you have to do? You have to cross number 14. And look at the next one. 11, 6, 5. 11 is here, 6 is here and 5 is here. Which is near? 5 is near to 0. So you got to cross. That's the small one. And look at the last one. 1, 10, 20. Where is 1? 1 is here. Where is 10? 10 is here. And 20, it's very far. Which is very near? 1 is very near. So which is the smallest one? 1. 1 is the smallest. So we have to cross this. You understand this, children? Shall we pass on to the next one? Now we are going to learn B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger, N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers, bigger numbers. Part O, tick the group which has more. Look at here. In the bowl, we have how many oranges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which is more. If anybody show you a small chocolate and big chocolate, which one you choose? Choose it correctly. No. Yes. Choose the big one. Here, 5 oranges are here and 6 oranges are here. Which is having more. This one. So, what you have to do? You have to give a tick on this picture. Okay. And look at the next one. What is there in the pond? Yes, ducks are there. How many duck is here? 1, 2. 2 duck is here. And look at the next pond. How many duck is here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which pond is having more ducks? This one. So you got to give a tick. And look at the next one. What is this? Birds are in the nest. How many birds are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 birds are here. And look at here. 1, 2. Which is having more bird? Which nest is having more birds? This bird. This one. So what you have to do? You have to give a tick on this. Okay. And look at the next one. What is this? Balloons. You all love to play with that. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balloons are here. And here how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is having more balloons? Here. So what you have to do? You have to give a tick on this. And look at the next one. Yes, children are sitting in the boat. How many children are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 children are here. And look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which boat is having more children? This boat is having more children. So you got to give a tick on this. Now you understand the bigger numbers, children. Now we learnt it from the objects. Now we are going to learn the same one using numbers. Look at here. Using the number strip to compare numbers. Look at here. What is it? Caterpillar. What the caterpillar is telling? The number which is away from 0 is the bigger number. We see from 0, which is near to 0, that's the smallest one. Which is far from 0, that's the biggest one. Shall we do this? Part P, circle the bigger number. Circle the bigger number. First one, 11, 13. Where is 11? 11 is here and 13 is here. Which is far from 0? 13. So that is the biggest one. They circle this. And look at the next one. 8, 10. Which is the biggest one? 8 is here and 10 is here. Which is far? 10 is far. So what you got to do? You got to circle number 10. And look at the next one. 17, 7. Where is 17? 17 is here and 7 is here. Which is very far from 0? 17 is far. So that is the biggest one. And look at the next one. 9, 19. 9, 19. 9 is here and 19 is here. Which is far from 0? 19 is far. So what you have to do? You have to circle number 19. That's the biggest one. And look at here. 16, 18. 16 is here, 18 is here. Which is far from 0? 18 is far. So 18 is the biggest one. And look at the next one. 20, 10. 20 is here, 10 is here. Which is far from 0? 20 is far. So which is the biggest one? 20 is the biggest one. And look at the next one. 12, 14. Where is 12? 12 is here. 14 is here. Which is far? 14 is far. Very good. So you got to circle number 14. And look at here. 15, 17. Where is 15? 15 is here. 17 is here. Which is far from 0? 17 is far. So that is the biggest one. We got to circle 17. And then look at the next one. Now we are going to see part Q. Part Q. Part Q, cross out the biggest number. What we have to do? We have to cross out the biggest number. Look at here. 12, 15, 20. Where is 12? 12, 15, 20. Which is far? 20 is far. So they cross 20. And look at the next one. 11, 12, 14. Which is far? 11, 12, 14. 14 is far. Very good. So we have to cross 14. And look at the next one. 13, 3, 9. 13 is here. 3 is here. And 9 is here. Which is far? 13 is far. So what you have to do? You have to cross number 13. That is the biggest one. And look at the next one. 17, 19, 16. 17, 19 and then 16. Which is far? 19 is far. So that is the biggest number. We have to cross it. And look at the next one. 10, 5, 12. Where is 10? 10 is here. 5 is here and 12 is here. Which is far? Very good. 12 is far. So what you have to do? You have to cross number 12. And look at the next one. 7, 17, 18. 7, 17, 18. Which is far? 18 is far. So what you have to do? You have to cross number 18. Now you understand this, children? Yes, now you understand smaller numbers and bigger numbers. Today's homework, what you have to do? You have to read and complete the pages 13, 14 and 15 in your max book. What are the exercises we complete now? Those exercises you have to complete it in your max book. I hope you all understand the concept clearly. Okay children, we will meet in the next session. Thank you.